Hello.
Did you get the ginger judge?
Yes, I did. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But I think I've been drinking too much of it. So I've got to make sure because I've been having felt like not really indigestion, but maybe heartburn. And so I think I was drinking too much. But ginger beer is so great.
Did you order it off Amazon? Like I suggested? Okay.
Yes, it's very good. And then I did, what is it called? I think they had the tree one or whatever, which is very good too. But I should probably not do the one that's so spicy. And then I tried cucumber sparkling water. Why? I don't know. I don't even like sparkling water. I was like,
Yeah, I don't either. This is the plea offered by Megan Galloway Judge. She's not here, so I'm not sure who's gonna handle it.
okay, somebody will. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 002-552, State versus Jesse Arguello III. Could I have for the state?
State.
Defense?
Efrain Torres Jr. from Mr. Jesse Arguello III.
And are you Mr. Arguello?
Yes.
Oh, and state, you can remain seated. I know you all are doing things over there.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Arguello, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, it appears you're proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you any objection?
No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Arguello, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, just 1 second. If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Just 1 moment, I'm sorry. Yeah. All right, according to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. There's a $1,000 fine.
Fine, please.
State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? State defense is at the plea.
It is,
Yes.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Gary Paul Anders.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 18 months, TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and the DOEP course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Now go up to state number 1, including all of that.
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept in the evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you have applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Mr. Arguello, actually started his intensive outpatient treatment with Ripple Ranch
Mhm.
on the April 21st. That
Okay, what's the organization?
Ripple Ranch. He did that voluntarily, Judge. He started on April 21st.
Spell that, please.
RIPO.
Ah, okay. I thought you were saying Ripple. Okay, I've heard of them. All right.
And that ends, I believe, July 31st. So it'll be about roughly 3 months for him, Judge. And he's also attending NA meetings with Unity Recovery 3 times a week. We ask that you follow the plea status offered.
And I'm sorry, he's attending AA meetings 3 times a week with,
NA with Unity Recovery Tuesdays and Thursdays. I apologize, Judge.
oh, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay.
So all that's been done voluntarily, and he's clean and sober, Judge.
Okay. All right. Do you have any children? What are their ages?
18.
I'm sorry, what?
18.
18.
18 dollars and
Okay, so you say you have 5.
Yeah.
So 18?
18, 16, 15, and 14.
Ah, okay. I'm not gonna ask you for their birthdays. Should I do that? Are you gonna pass? Oh, no, sometimes with my relatives, you know what I do? I don't remember the exact date they were born, but I remember the month. And they're like, you got your card in early. I'm like, that's the way I do it. And really, it's like, I'm sort of shaky. But I always remember my mom's birthday. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine, probated, 1 year deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining. Okay. Are you ready? 1 year deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution, going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining community service will be deducted 1 hour for every sober support meeting that is completed. That's your NA meetings. They call them sober support now. He's to have continued treatment. All right, continued treatment. With RIPO Ranch outpatient treatment, you provide proof of that to probation and do a release for them. He's continue with sober support meetings 2 times per week with Unity Recovery, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, and I'm sorry, probation, just do a TAP evaluation out of custody, so you all will already have that. But I'm not going to order intensive outpatient treatment since he's already doing that. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. If you need anything, be sure to let probation know. Don't disappear, okay?
Judge, did you probate the fine?
Yes.
Oh, you did? Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Clinton Camacho
Come on up.
and Norma, I don't know where Warren Wolf is.
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Roger Bettis for Tyrese Hilliard Smith, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Hilliard Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Tyrese James Hilliard Smith who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5441 for the offense of assault peace officer judge on September 2nd, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Tyrese James Hilliard Smith, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed on 9/5/25, 9/26/25, 10/25/25, 11/25/25, and 1/28/26 in violation of condition number 4.
Did you say 10/29/25?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To that, how do you plead? True or not true?
True, but there's some clarification.
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections to the waivers?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, I understand.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. State, what are you requesting?
Judge, we are requesting that you grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, sentence to 2 years in TIC cause number 2026 PF 1960.
And what are you requesting?
Judge, that's our general agreement. He was on a special mental caseload, so he was to report twice a month. So there were some months that he reported once, and then there were some months that he reported twice. There was some occasion he wasn't able logistically to make it on the particular date, but he would report. Again, that's critically the most important violation that he's done. And the new offense was failure to ID, and there was some miscommunication regarding whether he said that his birthday was at 1997 or 87. But that's fundamentally why we're here.
So what is probation? What are you recommending on this?
Mr. Hilliard Smith was on a specialized he's on the mental health caseload. He was doing very poorly. He was supposed to be reporting 3 times a month. That I just got off the phone with the manager. That's what he stated. There were several instances where he just was not reporting. He wasn't, with the mental health caseload, if you have to make your appointments with your treatment providers, and he wasn't doing that. On the court summary, what's listed is for state ISF cognitive track followed by ISP. However, I would like to also point out the other concerns that they have listed. It just says that Mr. Hilliard Smith continues to demonstrate criminal thinking behaviors. He does not appear to be severely impacted by a MH diagnosis, and most of his legal and family financial issues could improve with the use of new cognitive restructuring, new values, and moral reasoning.
Okay. So the mental health issue is not, according to them, the reason for these violations.
That's right.
All right. So you're in agreement with the 2 years?
We are, yes.
Mr. Smith, are you waiving your right to appeal?
What does that necessarily mean?
That means that if I follow this agreement, the 2 years, that I'm not going to give you permission to appeal this sentence. So that means the 2 years will be the 2 years.
I think he did want to make a statement, Your Honor. I'm not. He would like to say something, Your Honor.
Sure. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
I read James Smith.
All right, what would you like to say?
First and foremost, I would like to apologize for being irresponsible. Could have used my time more wisely. Secondly, just speaking in general, just want to take my son to the park again, stuff like that. But I understand I made the wrong choices and decisions and put myself in these circumstances.
He just apologized for his action, Your Honor.
All right, so do you want to accept the 2 years? Because this is what I'm telling you. They've agreed, your counsel and you and the state have agreed to 2 years. Probation is saying, keep you in custody, send you to ISF. Now, if you remain in custody for transfer to ISF, I don't know what the wait time is, but you'll be in custody. And if you have another motion to revoke, who knows, the state may not agree to 2 years. They may be asking for the full 20. I'm not going to be here. Someone else will be here. So, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community and take in consideration 2026 PF 19606. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I understand we're not waiting.
All right, because this is because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, likewise.
Oh, thank you.